Imagine waking up one day, unable to get out of bed without help. For millions of seniors, this nightmare is real, a silent epidemic stealing their independence. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, strikes quietly, leaving weakness, falls, and hospital stays in its wake. Every few minutes, 38 seniors are hospitalized because of preventable conditions tied to this tragedy. But what if you could stop it?
What if you could even reverse it?
Welcome to a journey of hope, where groundbreaking research from Harvard, McMaster, and Tufts University reveals a powerful truth. Specific foods, packed with unique nutrients, can rebuild muscle mass, even in your 70s and 80s. Today, we're sharing the top 10 foods that can change everything for seniors fighting to stay strong. Let's dive in. Drop a heart emoji in the comments if you're ready to discover how to reclaim your strength and live life to the fullest. First, let's talk about the problem. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken. A condition called sarcopenia. It's not just about appearance. It's about losing the ability to walk, climb stairs, or live independently. But science offers hope. Foods rich in protein, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds can halt muscle loss and even rebuild strength. These aren't exotic supplements. They're everyday foods, backed by rigorous research that can transform lives. So, let's count down from number 10 to number 1, the foods that can help seniors thrive. Number 10, lean beef. This protein powerhouse delivers about 25 grams in a 4-ounce serving. It's loaded with leucine, an amino acid that sparks muscle growth, even in older muscles. Beef also provides creatine, iron, and B vitamins, fueling energy and oxygen to your muscles. A McMaster University study found seniors eating lean beef with exercise gained more strength than those using plant proteins. Choose lean cuts, like sirloin or tenderloin, and enjoy 2 to 3 servings a week. Grass-fed beef adds extra omega-3s for even more benefits. Number 9, whey protein. This dairy-derived protein is a game-changer, with the highest leucine content of any food. It digests fast, flooding your muscles with amino acids to fight age-related resistance to growth. A McMaster study showed seniors using whey protein kept 40% more muscle than those eating other proteins. Plus, whey boosts blood flow, reduces inflammation, and fights oxidative damage. Mix 20 to 30 grams into a smoothie, ideally after activity, for maximum impact. Opt for unsweetened whey isolate. And if dairy's an issue, try hydrolyzed whey. Number 8, fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, or sardines. A 4-ounce serving of salmon packs 20 grams of protein, plus omega-3 fatty acids that tame inflammation and make muscles more responsive to protein. These fish also deliver vitamin D, often low in seniors, but vital for muscle strength. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors eating fatty fish twice a week lost less muscle over 3 years. Aim for 2 servings weekly. Wild-caught is best. Or consider fish oil supplements if cooking feels tough. Number 7, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds offer plant-based protein, healthy fats, and key nutrients. A 1/4 cup of almonds gives 6 grams of protein and magnesium for muscle contraction. Walnuts bring omega-3s to reduce inflammation, and pumpkin seeds provide zinc to support testosterone. Vitamin E in these foods protects muscle cells from age-related damage. A Tufts University study linked higher vitamin E to less muscle loss. Snack on 1 to 2 ounces daily, unsalted, to keep your heart happy. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Black beans, lentils, chickpeas. They're more than just fiber. A cooked cup offers 15 grams of protein and resistant starch that feeds gut bacteria to lower inflammation. They're packed with potassium, magnesium, and iron, all crucial for muscle function. Number 5. Eggs. Affordable and versatile. Eggs are muscle-building gems. One large egg has 6 grams of protein, rich in leucine. For growth, the yolk adds choline, vitamin D, and more leucine, making whole eggs 40% better for muscle building than whites alone, says a University of Illinois study. Up to 7 eggs a week are safe for most seniors. Enjoy 1 to 2 daily, especially at breakfast. Hard-boiled eggs make quick snacks, perfect for busy days. Number 4. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just for cooking. Its oleocanthal fights inflammation, like a natural ibuprofen. Research from the University of Louisiana found it blocks enzymes that break down muscle protein. Olive oil also boosts insulin sensitivity and supports testosterone production. A pre-dimed study showed seniors using olive oil daily had stronger muscles. After 5 years, drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons on salads or veggies. Store it in a dark bottle to keep its power fresh. Number 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. They're small but mighty. They're antioxidants, like anthocyanins, protect muscles from oxidative damage that speeds aging. A Tufts study found blueberries improved muscle recovery in seniors. Berries also calm chronic inflammation that erodes muscle. Their sweetness makes them a healthy dessert. Add a handful daily, fresh or frozen, to smoothies, yogurt, or just by themselves. Number 2. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. They're not just for salads. Nitrates in greens boost blood flow, delivering nutrients to muscles. 1 cup of cooked spinach meets nearly 40% of your magnesium needs for contraction and energy. Vitamin K, another star, supports protein metabolism. The Journals of Gerontology report seniors with more vitamin K lose less muscle. Aim for 2 cups daily in smoothies, soups, or sautéed for a muscle-saving edge. Number 1. Greek yogurt. This creamy superstar doubles the protein of regular yogurt with 15 to 20 grams in a 6-ounce serving. Its casein protein releases amino acids slowly, fighting overnight muscle loss when breakdown peaks. Greek yogurt also delivers probiotics for gut health, plus calcium and vitamin D for strong muscles and bones. Research in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association showed seniors eating it gained strength even without exercise. Enjoy 3 to 4 servings a week, plain and full fat, with berries or nuts for extra flavor. These foods aren't just about muscles, they're about independence, fewer falls, and a better quality of life. Pair them with light exercise, like walking or resistance training, to amplify results. Start small, maybe eggs for breakfast, or Greek yogurt as a snack. Consult your doctor to tailor these to your needs, especially if you have dietary restrictions. You don't have to accept muscle loss as inevitable. With these foods, you can fight back and thrive. If this inspired you, give this video a thumbs up. It helps us share this hope with more people like you. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tips to live stronger and healthier. In the comments, tell us, Which of these foods are you excited to try? Or have you noticed a difference in your strength after adding them? Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay strong, and may your journey be filled with vitality. Blessings to you all.